What do you think of the hashtag Pay Back the Money campaign?
For me, I don't know about hashtag, but I think people should pay back the money. Because you see, if people don't pay back the money, then there's a problem. Like if people, you buy clothes from Edgar's or Sales House or BG, and then you don't pay back the money, then there's a problem because the shop will close. And if people, like, you go with a man and then he buys you drinks and you drink, and then you don't want to go home with him, then you must pay back the money. Because that is wrong, because it means people like me now can't get a man who's going to spend money because you refuse to sleep with him and then you refuse to pay back the money. And I think also if a man is paying lobola for you and you tell him you are a virgin and then he marry you, you're not a virgin, pay back the money. And I think everyone must pay back the money. For example, the people, if like you have a big house and you know that you got the big house because your ancestors stole the land from my ancestors, then you must pay back the money. Like for example, if you go to university, you get a student loan and then you get a degree, you must pay back the money so that other children can also get the loan and go to school. And if, for example, you tell people to pay you money because you went to heaven and you're going to show them your photos from heaven, and then you lose your phone, you must pay back the money.
Do you think the president should pay back the money?
No, I don't know about the president. I'm scared to talk about the president because this is his country. What if he tells me to leave South Africa and go and live in Limpopo?
So you're actually saying everyone should pay back the money?
Nobody must do the things that make the pay the money not to be done.